In today's video, I want to guide you on how to install Office Microsoft of 365 for free without error and with activation processes. Just watch this video to the end. If you are new here, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. The first thing you have to do is to be sure that you uninstall every Microsoft Office program you have on your device. So come to this place, right in Control Panel, click on this button. It comes out like this. So if you are on this program category section, you are good to go. But if you are any of these, irrespective of what you are, click on it and click on this category. Now click on this uninstall program. Out of the program you have here, locate and remove Microsoft Offices if you have anyone here. Here I have this one, Office 21. Click on this, then click on this button. Click on yes to uninstall, then click on install button. Wait a few seconds for this process to remove this program for your file. So because you have any Office program on your file, before you install the new version, it's going to give you an error. So in order to avoid that, you need to uninstall any Microsoft program you have on your device. Now click on this close button. Now come over to this place, refresh, and be sure that that program has been uninstalled successfully on your device. Now close this place. The next thing, you have to wipe away all the temp file from your device, and to do that is very simple. Combine with the Window plus R key, it brings to this interface. Now here type TAMP and hit the enter button. Then click on yes or continue button, click on yes. Then it's going to give you here, guys. I have about 108 program file that is here. So Control A and Shift delete button to delete everything here. Hit the yes enter button. Click this and continue this. So click on yes and remove every file here. Some file will not be removed. Then close this page as well. Combine Window key plus R and it brings you to this interface. This time around, write percentage 10%, then hit the enter button as well. Then here you have some file about 295 here. Control A, Shift delete to remove this temporary file from your device. Click this button and click on try again. This will take away every unwanted file from your device. Then go ahead and close this page. Now that I've closed this page, the next thing you have to do for me now is to open a browser on your device. So here we are going to use this link. I will drop the link in the video description. The first link is what is this? This is the link you are going to use. Once you click on the first link, it comes out like this. Then scroll down until you get to this download the Office deployment tools from the Microsoft Download Center. Then click on this button. It opens like this for you here. Once you click on this button, you have something like this. Then scroll down a bit. You can see that is 2026 version. Date published August 11, 2026. And the size is simple. Click on this button to download it. Once you click on this button like this, it's going to download. You can see the file has been downloaded for you here. When the file has been downloaded, close this page. Then come to desktop here, right click on desktop, click on new, create a folder, then name this folder Office. Now that I've named the folder Office, go to your download folder. You need to copy this folder you've just downloaded. Then go to this folder, paste it here. Now that I've pasted it here, right click on this copy file that I've copied here. Then run as administrator, click on yes and continue. Then check on this button here. Then click on continue. Now go to your desktop, it's on your desktop. This is my desktop, this is it. Click on it, then click on OK. Click on this button, then close this file. Now once you've closed this file, now open the folder again here. Double click on it to open it. Now you're going to remove this two file here, delete it, shift delete this folder. You don't need it. So in case this one is not available here, click on this view button, click on this show button, then click on file extension. You should see this button EX. You see that EX has available here. If it is not available, you need to click on this view button, show button, and click on file extension. Then it brings to this interface. Once you are at this interface, then you can now move on and follow the next step. Now open the website again. Now that I've opened this website, come back to the first website, then scroll down until you get to this create a configuration XML file. Then click on this option that says Office Customization Tools. Right click or you click on it, it brings you to this interface. Now please take a careful look at what is here. Once you open this interface, you have something like this. Which architecture do you use on your device? SIP 32-bit, 32-bit or 64-bit? In case you don't know that one, it's very simple. Window plus RK. That brings to this interface. Write ms info 32, then hit the enter button. Wait a few seconds for this to load up. You can see system type 64-bit PC. So if your own is 32, then you should be able to know what version you are using. So my own is 64. I will click on this button. Now scroll down. Now here you have to select an office suite. Click on this button. Once you click on this button, you have different one here. Go and click, ignore the first, second, third, fourth. Click on the fifth one, Office LTS Professional Plus. This one that says volume license. Click on it. Once you click on it, scroll down again. Now scroll down. If you scroll down, it comes that it has selected the channel, the perpetual enterprises. Then here click on this and select the version you want. So you have 2009, 209. Also click on the latest version. Now here is what is matter most. You need to select which product you want to use. I don't use Publisher. I don't use Outlook. Notes, I use Notes. I use Excel. OneDrive desktop, I don't use OneDrive. Then I use this for. So this has to do with you. Whatever you use, make sure you select it. Then scroll down a bit. Click on next button. Once you click on next button, you have to select a language. I will click on this one. I will select English United States. If your language is, just select your language from the list, language that I drop down. So you can add another language, but that is okay for me. Then I'll click on next button. Once you click on next button, it's come to open like this. Now here you see this option. Then click on next button here. Once you click on next button, it comes out like this. This one, check for automatically. Click on this one. Then scroll down. Click on this button. Uninstall any MS version of it, including this. Click on it. Then scroll down again. Automatically update to select architecture. Then click on next button here. Now click on this button, accept license. Here you see. Then scroll down. Click on next button. Once you click on next button, scroll down again. Click on next button. Now once you click on next button, you have something like this. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Then click on finish button. Once you click on finish button, then come to this place. Click on export. Once you click on export, it comes out like this. Then use this format, Office Open XML format. Click on this button. Then click on OK. Once you click on OK, click on accept. Then here you need to get the name configuration. Now here is to access the name. Come over to the first website here. Then scroll down to this place. Installation Office installation. There you see this is the configuration. Just copy this configuration. Come to this place. Paste that name here. Ctrl V. Then click on export button. In a few moments, this will export on your device. Then close this window. Now open the download file again, which is text1. Copy it now. Then go to the one on your desktop, paste it here. Now that I've pasted it here, then come over to this place. Type cmd on the command prompt. Brings to this, right click here, run as administrator. Click on here, see if it comes out. Then here type cd space. Then open this office, copy this, then come to this place, hit the enter button, type dir, hit the enter button. So it comes out like this. When you type dir and hit the enter button, it comes out like this. You can see that the configuration HTML is here. Now go to the website again. Come to this website here. Scroll down and copy this part. Come to this, then paste again, hit the enter button. So the installation is in progress. So you have to wait for this process to install this on your device. And don't forget that here is what we picked in the process. These are the few things we picked in the process. So you wait for this to fully installed, and this may take a longer, but don't panic. Just wait for it and make sure that you have very good network. So I'll pause here now. When it's installed fully, then we'll come back and continue from where we stopped. Now the installation has been fully completed. Now click on this button to close. Now that I've closed it, we need to activate this on our device. Now to do that, open the Windows Explorer on your device. Once you've opened the Windows Explorer, come down to PC here, click on it, click on this C drive. Once you've opened the C drive, click on Program File, locate Microsoft Office, open it. Here we have two Microsoft Office. We have Microsoft Office 15, but click on Microsoft Office. Let me change this so that we understand what I'm saying very well. Now, here we have Microsoft Office 15. We have Microsoft Office. Click on Microsoft Office. Once you click on it, then click on this one that says Office 16, irrespective of the version you install. Click on this Office 16. Once you click on it, then you have this particular folder. Click it 5 times. 5. Now close this place. So with that simple click, you've been able to activate your Office. Now let's open it. Come to this place, search for Word, click on it. Now let it open. So you can start using the Microsoft Word now on your device. Here is the Word. Then you can as well open Excel. If you choose Excel in the process, be able to open Excel again and start using Excel as well. Here is Excel. We can use Excel black sheets and we are good to go. So click on this. You are good to go using this. Then if you, in the case you also use PowerPoint, we also install PowerPoint. Let's open our PowerPoint and we have access to everything we've installed here, and as simple as that. So that's all, guys. We've been able to install and activate Office 365 on our device without any error. If you enjoyed this tip, you have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.